going on, guys? If you guys are first tuning in, my name is Ken. My Instagram name is F80Gold. If you guys are first tuning in, I have a channel called The Daily Driven. I'm also part of BMW Invasion. I'm one of the co-founders. The other co-founder is Miguel Beamer. So in this video, I want to explain to you exactly how much I got paid my first month after being monetized. So if you guys don't know, YouTube actually pays ad revenue, and there's certain requirements that you need to do in order to meet those requirements. So if you're making videos, making quality content, and have a passion behind it, there's no issues with you growing. You just gotta be consistent. So one of the first things that YouTube looks into is the type of content you're making. So if you're making content that is inappropriate, most likely you're not going to be monetized. So if you are making the right quality content and your content is appropriate for YouTube standards, you're going to have 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours. So if you guys have been watching this channel for a while, then I've obviously mentioned my fiance, and I've also mentioned a couple other hints that I'm getting married in 2021. Hopefully it doesn't get delayed because of everything that's going on in the world. So what I'm getting ready to do is do a quick workout. I know some of us have gained some weight. I've gained some weight from, quarantine period where all you do is just eat, and eat. So I'm gonna try to get a quick workout in and probably get the remaining of this video done. So while I drink my pre-workout, I want to explain a little bit about the YouTube. So I've been doing this for, I would say, almost 2 years, and it's a slow progression. So the main thing I tell people is to be consistent. Consistency gets growth, and if you're getting into this game thinking that you're gonna grow really quickly, it's not gonna happen. So unless you make a video that goes viral, which is very slim. So one thing that helped me out during this whole process of building the channel and also getting involved in the community is to find a topic that you're very passionate about. So some of the things that helped me out was I niched down and I found a topic that I was very passionate about, and obviously that was BMWs and also my build on my car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna go downstairs, do a quick workout. I'll check in with you guys later. And I gotta say, although I love working out, I love eating too. So all those burgers, pizzas, and wings did not do me right. So on that note, I'll check in with you guys later. Alright guys, it's later in the day, just finished my workout. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I made on my first month being monetized on YouTube. So check this out. Alright, so if you guys started a YouTube channel, this is basically what you see. This is your whole dashboard. Kind of tells you anything you need to know about your channel and some of your analytics. So let's go into the analytics real quick. So as you can see here, it's not a lot, it's not a crazy amount. The first month I got monetized was in the month of April. Specifically, let's check it out. The first day I got monetized was on April 20th. So I got notified roughly around the 16th, and a couple days later I got the full approval. So as you can see, one day I made I think it was like $1.85, but the whole month, the total revenue was $44.18. But that was the first month. So my lifetime, so basically the lifetime is obviously since I started, how much I made since the day I got monetized to today, basically. So I do want to mention that it's not a crazy amount of money. It's not like I'm doing this for the money. It's definitely very fun to be able to create content and kind of use my creativity to make car content. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of this money that I am getting, obviously got to pay taxes on it. But whatever proceeds I get to keep for myself, I'm using it to reinvest back into the channel. And as a way of thanking you guys, I'm upgrading my equipment to make you guys have a better experience when watching these videos. I do want to mention one thing too, is that Thick F30, I think you mentioned this into one of your stories. You don't need a lot of expensive equipment or anything like that to start. So, or even continue. If you guys have a phone or whatever, and you guys have a passion, or you guys want to basically document something, and you're consistent about it, then I think you'll make some good growth. I think the main thing that people get caught up on is finding the best equipment, and also worried about what people are going to think. When I first started this channel, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous what people were gonna think, but to be honest, You have to do it out of passion. You have to do it out of like not caring about what people think, and just put quality content out there. That's the main thing. So I do want to mention, if you guys find this video helpful in any way, whether you're starting a YouTube channel or whether you want to start one or you're contemplating about continuing. Again, if you guys have any questions, leave a question down below. If you guys don't feel comfortable leaving a public question or comment down below, you guys hit me in the DM. You know, like majority, I would say 99% of comments and DMs that I get, I respond back to, and I always give you guys the most honest opinion, because to be honest, there's no point of BSing you guys. But also, if you guys haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, because I'm going to be coming out with more content. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one.